Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox and install this Samsung Galaxy smartwatch screen protector. It is also equivalent to or compatible with the Samsung S8 Classic or the Frontier. I got this out of eBay, 5 piece for $4.97. That's including free shipping, no tax. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I also got this microfiber cleaning cloth, getting ready to clean my watch. As you can see, it still has a plastic protector on there. So I'm gonna give it a little wipe and then install the glass protector. So let's go ahead and take this out. Yikes. Hopefully this is the right one. What the? Hopefully the seller did not send me a wrong item. What is this? It just said glass screen protector. It does not say which one. Oh, so yeah, it is. Okay, I was scared for a moment right there. Nice. That was a smartphone screen protector. So as you can see, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Hopefully nothing is cracked or broken. There you go. So you peel this off and then you slap this on there. Hopefully it's not gonna be too hard. Let me try to turn off this. Turn it off by pressing this. Okay, power off. So now the watch is powering off, and then we could go ahead and peel this plastic protector and get a clean wipe a little bit. Well, it comes with this wipes. Oh, and then a sticker to stick it on there first. Good. So let's go ahead and peel this off. I might have to use the guide because I don't want to mess it up. Okay. This side is the sticky part. So I'm gonna take out the sticker. So this one is actually pretty thick. So as you can see, it has some kind of opening. So it has a residue right there. So you gotta clean it up or it's gonna have a bubble. So I'm gonna clean it. Then I'm gonna wipe it off. Make sure there's no dust or lint. You want to blow a little bit if there's a dust, and then kind of inspect it. Yikes, there's some here. You want to leave the screen black so you know if the lint is there or not. Then you peel this off first, this side. See that film? And all you do is just slap this on. There you go. And you want to press down, go around the screen. If you see like a tiny bubble, you just want to press it down and you should seal it up completely and press it down. All right, it looks pretty clean. Gonna power on. Make sure all the touch is working fine and everything. A lot of you have been asking me where do I get my watch band. You could search it under my my Daddy Pimpin channel and just search Samsung Galaxy Watch Band, and within the description it will show you the link on where to purchase them. I have all the colors: black, rose gold, and then silver, which is the stainless steel color. Alright, so everything should be working fine. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace out.